Good afternoon, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rahil, I'll be teaching organic, my dear. ये organic ही पढ़ा रही हूँ अभी पूरा. Okay. Get equipped of isomerism कितना बाकी है अभी?
I think 10-12 क्वेश्चन ही बाकी है.
हाँ तो वो कर लिया आप लोगों ने या you all are waiting for me to do it?
ट्राई किया है.
तो आए हैं आंसर्स आए हैं उसके?
2-3 आए नहीं आए.
अच्छा 2-3 नहीं आए हैं. ठीक है वो अभी लास्ट में I'll take some extra lecture and discuss. I don't want to waste my class for discussing all that. Okay. Because I need to complete the chapters in time before your MTs. So I'll be starting with reaction mechanism now. Satyam, your mic is on. नेक्स्ट एमटी आपके शेड्यूल में दिया होगा ना? आई डोंट नो कब दिया है नेक्स्ट एमटी.
मैम नहीं मिला अभी तक.
अच्छा. So now what all I'll be going to cover in this chapter? First you write down that. In this chapter we'll be doing different types of reactions. The first type I'll start with is addition reactions. Under this I'll do 3 types. I'll do electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition reactions, and free radical addition. And the second type I'll be taking is substitution reactions. Under this again I'll be doing, 1 minute, there are students to join. Electrophilic substitution. Then you have nucleophilic substitution. Free radical substitution. Then the third type I'll be doing is elimination reactions. Under this I'll be doing alpha, beta, gamma eliminations. Rylan, last thing I did on isomerism was conformational isomerism. Cyclohexane का किया होगा मैंने last. And then we have rearrangement reactions. Under rearrangement, I'll be doing only carbocation rearrangements involving carbocation rearrangements. All this will be covered in this chapter. Okay. HSC, you don't have any chapter named reaction mechanisms. Now all this is spread out over a number of chapters. Okay, so एक अलग से chapter नहीं है. Like electrophilic addition reaction जो मैं आज करूँगी, that is given in hydrocarbons. Nucleophilic addition you will find in aldehydes, ketones, and so on. So you don't have any separate chapter named reaction mechanisms. Did you all finish writing this?
No, ma'am.
2 minutes.
Okay. Okay, finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So let us start with the first, that is addition reactions. Who will tell me what is an addition reaction? Anyone for the definition?
Reaction in which two reactants combine together to form one product.
Very
Two or
good.
more.
Very good. Very, very good. So just write down the same definition. Okay. I'm repeating. A reaction in which two or more compounds, a reaction in which two or more compounds combine, a reaction in which two or more compounds combine to give us a single product. A reaction in which two or more compounds combine to give a single product is called as an addition reaction. A reaction in which two or more compounds combine to form a single product is called as an addition reaction. In other words, A plus B gives you C. A plus B gives you C. Also write down, addition reactions can occur. Addition reactions can occur only on a molecule with pi bonds. Addition reactions can occur only on a molecule with pi bond. That means pi bonds are compulsory for addition. Okay? Addition reactions can occur only on compounds with pi bonds.
Ma'am, could you help us visualize why?
Okay. I'll do the addition and then you'll understand why. Okay. The first type of addition which I'm going to take now is electrophilic addition. When I do the reaction, you will understand why reaction requires a pi bond. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So the first type I'm starting here is electrophilic addition. Amog, you will understand, don't worry. Now electrophilic addition means the attack on the pi bond occurs by an electrophile. What is an electrophile?
Electron loving. Lewis acid.
I told you when I asked an electrophile means you're supposed to report it as what? Lewis acid. Lewis acid matlab kya?
Electron pair acceptor.
Electron pair acceptor. So first you write down the definition what is an electrophilic addition. An addition reaction in which the attacking reagent on the pi bond, an addition reaction in which the attacking reagent on the pi bond is an electrophile. I repeat, an addition reaction in which the attacking reagent on the pi bond is an electrophile. An addition reaction in which the attacking reagent on the pi bond is an electrophile. Okay, I'm repeating electrophilic addition ka definition. An addition reaction in which the attacking reagent on the pi bond is an electrophile. Fine, did you all hear it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now here the electrophile is going to attack the pi bond. That is what I've told you in an electrophilic addition. Means electrophile we know is a Lewis acid. It has to gain electrons. Can I say it will attack a substrate which is high in electron density?
Yes.
Do you all agree to this? See, electrophile is in search of what?
Electrons.
Electron.
Can I say it will attack a substrate which is electron dense?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So one such substrate which readily undergoes electrophilic addition reaction is a molecule of alkene. Now, why do alkenes undergo electrophilic addition? That I am explaining. Okay. Electrophilic addition alkenes pe easily hota hai. Why does it occur on alkenes? I am explaining you all. In alkene molecule, these carbon atoms with the double bond is what hybridized?
sp2.
sp2.
So what geometries they have?
Trigonal plane.
Right.
So can I say both these carbon along with their sigma bonds are lying in one plane?
Yes, mas.
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
sigma bond, yahan wala jo sigma bond hai. So can I say all the sigma bonds and the carbon atoms are in one plane?
Yes, mas.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the pi electron cloud here?
Mas in the plane.
Above and below the molecule.
Yes. So that means if the carbon and the sigma bonds are lying in the plane of the board, what about the pi electron cloud? That will lie above of the board and behind the board?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say over the carbon? Carbon के ऊपर से भी और carbon के नीचे से भी you have high electron density?
Yes, mas.
Yes, ma'am.
So any reagent which has to come close to carbon, can I say it has to first overcome that high electron density?
Yes.
It has to first face that high electron density. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So which type of a reagent will come close to the high electron density, whether it will be an electrophile or a nucleophile?
Electrophile.
Yes. Can I say nucleophiles in fact are repelled by the high electron density lying over the carbon atoms?
Yes,
Yes,
mas.
Yes, ma'am.
Because nucleophiles themselves are highly electron dense. And alkene is also an electron dense molecule. So the electron cloud of the alkene will repel the electron cloud of the nucleophile. All of you are understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the first attack on the carbon of an alkene will be by an electrophile because of the high electron density lying above and below the molecular plane of the alkene. Is this part understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mas.
So most of the reactions of alkenes, most of the addition reactions of alkenes are electrophilic addition. I'll start with the first example here. First example of electrophilic addition. That is addition of HX to an alkene. HX क्या होता है?
Hydrogen halogen.
Hydrogen attached to any halogen.
Yes, HX is a hydrogen halide. So let me take an alkene first. Say ethene. To ethene, when you add HCl, could you identify the product form?
Ma'am, CH3, CHL, CHCl.
Am I going to get this?
Yes,
H goes to one carbon and
Yes,
C
ma'am.
to the other.
Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am.
Mas.
And pi bond breaks.
Breaking the bond.
Pi bond breaks, H goes to one carbon and Cl goes to the other carbon. Can I classify this addition? This as an addition reaction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Are two compounds reacting to give a single product?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say addition will occur only if pi bond is there? अगर saturated carbon होता तो addition हो पाता?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So addition reaction will occur only if there is a pi bond. Are you understanding?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is an addition reaction where HX has added to an alkene to form alkyl halide. How is this an electrophilic addition? Now I'm going to do the details of this reaction. In other words, I'm going to do the mechanism of this process. Just write down the reaction. Now I'm proceeding towards the mechanism. Yes, Shubha, I'm doing the addition of HX to an alkene, which is the first example of electrophilic addition. Yes. It is the first example for electrophilic addition. Yes, Sakshi, alkynes would add HCl 2 times. Yes. Okay, have you finished with this?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm going for
Ma'am,
the
1
method.
minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, okay, okay. Tanvi, I think you have some basic concepts in organic chemistry as a chapter in NCERT. तो इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा ही मिलेगा वहां पर, not much.
I'm done.
Okay. So now I'm doing the mechanism of this process. Now you mix ethene and you take HCl in a vessel and you start heating. When you start heating, the first thing you'll observe is the breaking of this HCl bond because the bond is very weak. How would you expect a HCl bond to break? Homolytic or heterolytic?
Heterolytic.
Yes. And why does that happen?
Electronegativity difference.
Very good. Yes. Due to the electronegativity difference between H and Cl, the bond has to break heterolytic, giving you what?
H plus
Cl
and
minus and
minus.
H
And
plus.
Cl minus.
Yes, you'll get H plus and Cl minus.
Ma'am, is this all under addition of
Yes,
alkane?
yes, everything under electrophilic addition.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So HCl breaks to give you H plus and Cl minus. Can I call H plus as an electrophile
Yes, ma'am.
and Cl minus as a nucleophile?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have the electrophile and the nucleophile generated in the vessel. And the vessel also has ethene. So could you tell me out of H plus and Cl minus, which will come closer to the
H
carbon?
plus.
H plus.
Yes. So as H plus comes to the close to the carbon, the first thing it does is causes an electromeric shift. What do you mean by electromeric shift?
Shifting of the pi bonds to
Very
either
good.
of the carbons.
Yes. Can I say in this case the pi bond can shift to any carbon because
Yes, ma'am.
symmetrical hai?
Yes.
So supposing the pi bond shifts to the left side, can I say high electron density yahan ho jayega?
Yes, ma'am.
So H plus
ma'am.
will immediately go and attack that carbon, forming CH3. What charge would come on the other carbon?
Positive.
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 So now what is going to happen?
Cl on
Yes.
Cl
active.
minus.
Yes, Cl minus will come and give electrons to that carbocation because carbocation now has a incomplete octet. So the intermediate obtained in an electrophilic addition is always a carbocation. The intermediate. Yes, yes. Riddhi, I am doing the mechanism of this process. ये जो reaction मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है ना उसका mechanism कर रही हूँ. The intermediate for an electrophilic addition is a carbocation. All of you have
Ma'am, could
understood
you
this?
repeat? Ma'am, could you repeat what you said?
I said the intermediate in an electrophilic addition is a carbocation. Okay, looking at this, can I say the reaction is an example of electrophilic addition? How have I
Yes.
defined for you what is electrophilic addition?
Attacking reagent on the pi bond is an electrophile.
Pi bond पे attack क्या कर रहा है?
Electrophile.
H plus, yes, and H plus is an electrophile. All of you have understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Mhm.
So if they ask you the intermediate of electrophilic addition, what should be your answer?
Carbocation.
Carbocation.
Carbocation. Okay, now instead of ethene, what if I take this compound? What is the name of this compound?
Propene.
Propene.
Yes, propene when you add HCl. What product is expected here?
Propane chloride.
Yes, yes,
No, propyl chloride.
But which
Yes.
propyl chloride?
One
Can I
propyl
say,
chloride.
can I say here I can get two different propyl chlorides?
Yes, ma'am.
I could get this as well as I could get this. Do you all agree?
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Why can this form two?
because the pi bond can shift to any one of the carbons.
Yes. Can I say the alkene here is unsymmetrical?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. Because the alkene is unsymmetrical. Can I say the pi bond here can shift in two different directions?
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
If the pi bond shifts towards the right, H will attack on the right carbon and Cl will go and attack this middle carbon. What if the pi bond shifts towards the middle carbon?
The
H plus will attack the middle carbon.
Yes, and the
middle-
Cl will go on this right carbon. All of you have understood?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So both these products are formed, but this is formed in major amounts and this is formed in minor amounts. So now I'll tell you why is this first one major and the second one minor. You just write down the reaction. So mechanism I'm writing. First step will be same. The breaking of HCl bond forming H plus and Cl minus. The attacking reagent on the pi bond here is going to be.
H plus.
So now can I say H plus can cause the electromeric shift here in two different directions?
Yes, ma'am.
If the pi bond shifts here, H will attack here, giving you this intermediate. What is the other possibility?
H will attack the rightmost one.
Yes. Pi bond will shift to this carbon. अगर इस carbon पे shift हुआ तो can I say H will attack here,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
giving you this as the intermediate. Classify these two carbocations.
the
2
first
degree and
one
1 degree.
is degree and 1 degree.
Will you tell me which one is more stable of the two?
2
1
degree.
degree.
2 degree.
Reason for the stability of 2 degree over 1 degree.
Greater plus I.
Plus I effect.
Minus I from both.
Can I say in addition to plus I, there will also be what other effect?
Minus I.
वो minus I कहाँ से आया?
Alpha hydrogens.
H.
Hyperconjugation.
Hyperconjugation.
Plus 6
Hyperconjugation.
alpha hydrogen. So more
Hyperconjugation.
number of hyperconjugation structures. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that makes 2 degree more stable over 1 degree. तो अगर ये ज़्यादा stable है, तो ये ज़्यादा बनेगा. In other words, this is going to form in major amounts and this is going to form in minor amounts. Now this will react with Cl minus to give you the major product of the reaction. and this will react with Cl minus to form the minor product of the reaction. So what decides the major and minor product? Could you identify?
Stability.
Stability.
Of what?
Carbocation.
Carbocation.
Can I say the stability of the intermediate?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I'm going to tell you now, you have to write it in a box. The stability of an intermediate always decides the major product of a reaction. Okay? The stability of an intermediate always decides the major product of a reaction. Put it in a box. The stability of an intermediate always decides the major product of a reaction.
Ma'am, could you repeat again?
The stability of an intermediate always decides the major product of a reaction.
Ma'am, what you said after always decides?
The major product of a reaction.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
आपने अभी जो स्टेटमेंट बोला ना वो किस में लिखना है?
वो एक बॉक्स के अंदर लिखो. That is a very important statement.
ओके मैम.
और मैम वो एग्जांपल लिखने है क्या ये नीचे वाला?
ये तो मैकेनिज्म है ना, लिखना ही है ना मैकेनिज्म तो.
ओके मैम.
Anushka, I said the stability of the intermediate decides the major product of a reaction. Stability of the intermediate decides the major product of a reaction. Did you all finish writing all this?
1 minute, ma'am.
Amog, why would the less stable intermediate give you the major product? You need to explain me. वो बनता ही नहीं है ज्यादा क्योंकि वो लेस स्टेबल है. जो ज्यादा स्टेबल है वो ज्यादा बनेगा ना. Yes, Sakshi, 2 degrees more stable because of plus I and hyperconjugation. Okay, did you all finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now such a reaction in which the pi bond here can shift in 2 different directions to give major and minor products. Such a reaction is called as regioselective reaction.
Ma'am, can you repeat the definition of regioselective?
Yes, I'm going to give you the definition. This term regioselective means direction selective. Regio means direction. So write down the definition for regioselective reaction. अमोघ लेस स्टेबल वाला है वो बनता ही कम है, समझा? जो ज्यादा स्टेबल है वो ज्यादा बनता है. ओके. So I'm defining for you what is regioselective. Just write down. A reaction in which the pi bond can shift in two different directions. A reaction in which the pi bond can shift in two different directions, resulting in major and minor products. A reaction in which the pi bond can shift in two different directions, resulting in major and minor products.
Ma'am, once again, could you repeat?
A reaction in which the pi bond can shift in two different directions, resulting in major and minor products.
Major and minor?
Products, resulting in major and minor products. Yes, Sakshi, both products are formed at the same time. Yes, Devika, very good. It is possible only for unsymmetrical alkenes. Tanvi, I repeat, reaction in which the pi bond can shift in two different directions, resulting in major and minor products. Let me explain what I have said. Can I say in this molecule the pi bond can shift in two different directions? The shift of pi bond in this direction is different from the shift in this direction? Or is
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is different. So if it shifts here, what carbocation will I get?
2 degree.
And if it shifts here, what carbocation will be formed?
1.
1
Can
degree.
I say the preferred shift of pi bond here will be towards the right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Do you all agree to this?
Yes, ma'am.
The preferred shift or the preferred direction in which the pi bond is going to shift here will be towards this carbon. All of you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So one direction is preferred over the other. So this is direction selective. In other words, it is a regioselective reaction. समझा या नहीं समझा?
समझा, ma'am.
Is the reaction of ethene with HCl regioselective?
No, miss.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So based on this regioselective reaction, you have a rule. The rule is known as Markovnikov's rule. Have you heard about this?
Yes.
Have you heard about Markovnikov's rule?
No, ma'am.
बस नाम सुना है बस.
हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में
होगा.
हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में किया होगा शायद.
नहीं मैम, सुना भी नहीं है नाम.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है, लिख लो.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
आपने ये regio selective reaction क्या बोला कि only possible for unsymmetrical
Alkenes.
Okay, ma'am.
Unsymmetrical substrate लिख लो.
Okay, ma'am.
So write down the rule, that is Markovnikov's rule. First you write down the rule, then I'll explain. Rohan, which line are you saying substrate wala? What did I say last? Can anybody tell me?
Regioselective reactions are only possible for unsymmetrical substrates.
Regioselective reactions are possible only when the substrate is unsymmetrical. Okay, so based on this, I said you have a rule called as Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov का जो spelling है ये, instead of this last V, you could have a double F also here. So some books give double F, some books give it as V. Anyway, proper noun है तो it doesn't matter. Write on the statement for Markovnikov's rule. During the addition of an unsymmetrical reagent, during the addition of an unsymmetrical reagent, to an unsymmetrical alkene, during the addition of an unsymmetrical reagent to an unsymmetrical alkene,
Addition of
during the addition of an unsymmetrical reagent to an unsymmetrical alkene, I repeat, during the addition of an unsymmetrical reagent to an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent goes to the carbon. The negative part of the reagent goes to the carbon having lesser number of hydrogen. The negative part of the reagent goes to the carbon having lesser number of hydrogen. The negative part of the reagent goes to the carbon having lesser number of hydrogen. Okay, so now let me explain what he has to say. Can I say this alkene is unsymmetrical?
Yes, ma'am.
Reagent is also unsymmetrical because I have H plus and Cl minus. I don't have Cl plus and Cl minus. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So both are unsymmetrical. So during the addition of an unsymmetrical reagent to an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part, इसमें से negative part कौन सा है?
Cl.
The negative part of the reagent goes to the carbon having lesser hydrogen. इन दोनों में से less hydrogen किसके पास है?
CH.
हाँ. So negative, that means Cl will prefer going here, giving you the major product as this. Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
I repeat, the negative part of the reagent goes to the carbon having less hydrogen. So in this alkene, that means the carbon having double bond, which is the one having less hydrogen? This
Left.
one. So HCl will go there. The negative part will go there. Have you understood Markovnikov's rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did he give this rule? He gave this rule based on the stability of what?
Carbocations.
Carbocations. He gave this rule based on the stability of the carbocations. Have you all understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you need to complete these reactions which I'm giving. Just complete these 4 reactions. Give me the products.
मैम सिर्फ मेजर लिखना है कि माइनर भी?
सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मेजर माइनर सब. All of you are done?
1 minute.
I'm just last one is taking place.
Done.
Okay, all of you have finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing the products here. Can I say the first one will give you only one product?
Yes,
Yes,
As it is
ma'am.
a symmetrical alkene.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one can give you two products. You'll get tertiary butyl chloride and you'll get isobutyl chloride. Did you get these both?
yes, ma'am.
Identify
Yes,
the
ma'am.
major one.
First
The
is
First
major.
one is major.
Reason for this being major.
Hyperconjugation.
Yes. Can I say this will be formed from a 3 degree? 3 degree कार्बोकटाइन से बना है और ये 1 डिग्री से है. Am I
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
इसमें एक ही प्रोडक्ट आएगा क्योंकि ये सिमेट्रिकल है.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you got two again.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One is this and one is this. Okay, wait, double bond मैंने वहाँ लिखा है तो show. It doesn't matter whether I write it here. It doesn't. It's same.
हम मेजर और माइनर वो मार्कोनिकोव्स रूल से आता है कि
हाँ,
वो स्टेबिलिटी वाला
Markovnikov नहीं भी use कर. Markovnikov rule is based on the stability of carbocation.
ओके.
Did you get these answers?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you solve the last one again?
Okay. Can I say here the alkene is unsymmetrical? तो अगर pi bond
Yes.
इस तरफ shift हुआ तो H यहाँ अटैक करेगा
Yes.
और Cl इसके पास जाएगा तो ये प्रोडक्ट आएगा.
Yes.
What if the pi bond shifts here? Can I say H will go here?
Yes.
So Cl will go on this carbon. So, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
You want me to do the mechanism for this?
Ma'am, can you tell major and minor?
Okay, just see here. This is your reactant. H plus will attack first. Pi bond अगर इस तरफ shift हुआ तो H यहाँ अटैक करेगा, कार्बोकटाइन यहाँ बनेगा. अगर pi bond इस तरफ shift हुआ तो H यहाँ अटैक करेगा और आपका कार्बोकटाइन यहाँ बनेगा. Can I say this is 3 degree and this is 2 degree?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये Cl के साथ रिएक्ट करके मेजर प्रोडक्ट देगा ना, बिकॉज ये मेजर बनेगा, ये ज्यादा बनेगा. ये ज्यादा क्यों बनेगा? क्योंकि ये ज्यादा स्टेबल है. आया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the second one, it is 3 degree and 1 degree.
1 degree. Yes, 3 degree and 1 degree.
Ma'am, in the second one, according to the rule, the hydrogen should go to the second carbon, right?
Cl minus, the negative part goes to the carbon having less hydrogen. So out of these two, which has less hydrogen? In fact, this one doesn't have only, no?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So
Okay.
Cl will prefer going here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, out of these four, could you identify the regioselective reactions?
Second and fourth.
Yes. Okay. So mark those as regioselective, second and fourth. Second and fourth are regioselective. Is this part understood?
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ भी doubt है?
No, ma'am.
Anyone wants to ask anything till here? Otherwise, I'm proceeding ahead.
I'm wait.
Yes, Vaishnavi, very good. The ones in which you get major and minor products are all regio selective. Yes. Okay.
Could you please explain the second major and minor? Second.
The second one, can I say that if the pi bond shifts here, H will go and attack here?
Yes, ma'am.
तो कार्बोकैटायन यहाँ बनेगा ना 3 डिग्री वाला.
Okay.
और अगर पाई बॉन्ड यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ तो H will attack here, कार्बोकैटायन यहाँ पे 1 डिग्री वाला बनेगा.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Or did you write second and fourth are regio selective?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions still here?
No, ma'am.
Rohan, how will you get two products for the first one? Pi bond अगर यहाँ shift हुआ, H यहाँ attack करेगा और Cl यहाँ, तो I'll get 2 chlorobutane. What if the pi bond shifts here? H will attack here and Cl will come here. That is also 2 chlorobutane only, ना? समझा? Okay. Okay, misunderstood. Miss और understood के बीच में you should have space. वरना and I think that it is misunderstood. ठीक है? Fine. Devika, my dear, the only thing which gets me irritated is the word exception. There is no exception in organic chemistry. Okay? Organic chemistry वो होता है जो सब समझ में आता है. Exception वो होता है जो कुछ नहीं समझता है. You don't understand the logic, and that is why you call that molecule to behave very differently from the others. Very differently means you don't understand कि वो ऐसे क्यों behave कर रहा है. Did you understand this what I'm saying now? Never use the term exception for organic. वो I think एक stupid सा video देखा है आप लोगों ने I think. If I am not wrong, वो इसका क्या बोलते हैं? I forgot the name. कोटा वाले ने बनाया था एक video. Have you all seen that?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, उसके बाद से तो तुम लोगों को केमिस्ट्री से नफरत हो गई होगी. Am I right?
कोटा.
कोटा वाले ने एक वीडियो बनाया ना केमिस्ट्री के ऊपर. Yeah, कोटा फैक्ट्री. Yes. If you all have seen it, I don't know whether you all have seen it or not.
Yes.
What blunder is spoken in that, if he was my student, he would have had it. Okay. मतलब कुछ भी बोला है, कुछ भी. उसको केमिस्ट्री समझा नहीं है करके उसने इतनी बकवास की है उसमें. केमिस्ट्री इज अ सब्जेक्ट ऑर्गेनिक जिसमें सबसे मैक्सिमम लॉजिक लगता है और उसको वो लॉजिक समझ में नहीं आया है. यस. ओके. जिसको लॉजिक नहीं समझेगा उसको ऑर्गेनिक पूरा एक्सेप्शन ही लगेगा. ठीक है. ये चारों रिएक्शन समझ में आ गए हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. इसमें एक्सेप्शन कौन सा है बता सकते हो? Like you like to use that word exception. Why would the molecule behave like you want it to behave? Will the molecule listen to you?
No, ma'am.
Or it will follow a path which is logical?
Which is logical.
Of course. समझ में आ रहा है? So every reaction has a logic behind it. अगर logic नहीं समझ रहा है तो reaction नहीं समझेगा. Then everything you'll call exceptional. समझा?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Nobody asked me that why we get minor products. I wanted you all to ask me कि minor बनता ही क्यों है? Why did you all ask me this? ये compound कौन से कार्बोकैटायन से बना है?
3 degree.
ये किससे बना है?
2 degree.
1 डिग्री से बना है.
1
तो ये बनता ही क्यों है? क्योंकि ये लेस स्टेबल कार्बोकैटायन से बना है, तो ये बना ही क्यों है? Why not all the molecules give this only? Nobody asked me this.
Ma'am, due to regioselective reaction.
हाँ, रिजियो सिलेक्टिव है वो, पर बनता क्यों है वो? बनता ही वो. ऐसे क्यों नहीं है कि सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स यही देंगे? Why do some molecules have to give this also as the product? So now that part I'll explain you all. Do all the molecules of a given compound have the same energy at the same temperature?
No.
Supposing I take 1 mole of propene molecules, will all the propene molecules, 1 mole of propene will have the same energy at the same temperature?
No.
No.
Not really.
So now tell me what I'm drawing here.
Energy profile.
No. Fraction of molecules against molecular velocities. Have you all done this?
Maxwell's velocity
Yes, this is
distribution.
the Maxwell distribution of velocities. You all have done it in gaseous state.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
You get a graph something like this. Yaad aaya?
Yes.
Can I say this is the maximum fraction of molecules here? Having this particular velocity,
Yes, ma'am.
and this particular velocity is called as
Most probably.
VMP.
most probable velocity.
Miss VMP.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it is the most probable velocity. All of you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a small fraction of molecules here which possess these high molecular velocities.
Yes.
Now this graph is at one particular temperature. That means for this graph, the temperature is constant. So at the same temperature, there will be many molecules having velocities equal to most probable velocity. But there will be few molecules having very high speeds also.
Yes.
Can I say I can relate the velocity to energy now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say most of the molecules of a compound have the energy equivalent to this most probable velocity which I'm showing here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But very few molecules also possess very high energies corresponding to this velocity here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So now I'm taking, say, propene molecules. Supposing I take 125 propene molecules. Out of this, say 100 molecules have the velocity corresponding to this. So can I say this is the most probable velocity present?
Yes, ma'am.
And say 25 molecules have very high speeds. मतलब ये 25 molecules का जो energy है, वो इनसे ज़्यादा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Most of the molecules have the velocity equals to most probable velocity. Do you agree? That is why I've given this number as 100. Very few molecules have a velocity which is very high. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let me go to this graph. The graph of potential energy against reaction progress. The energy profile diagram. Okay. So here, I've given you these 2 points here. These 2 points indicate what? These are all propene molecules. These are the propane molecules with most probable energy, and these are the propane molecules with very high energies. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can I say I'm going to provide energy to all these molecules at a time? For
Yes,
them to
ma'am.
react?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अगर इसका एनर्जी इतना बढ़ता है, सॉरी, I'm going to give same amount of energy to all of these. तो अगर इसका एनर्जी यहां तक जाता है, इसका कहां तक जाएगा?
इससे ऊपर.
स्लाइटली ऊपर जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो कैन आई से ये वाले जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, अच्छा, इनमें से ये कार्बोकटाइन 2 डिग्री 1 डिग्री कौन सा है, बता सकते हो?
2 डिग्री वाला
Upper one is 2 degree.
और लोअर वन 1 डिग्री?
नहीं उल्टा।
मैम 2
Sorry,
डिग्री
उल्टा,
नीचे
उल्टा।
वाला
ये कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं? 100
100
और ये कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं?
25
25.
मैंने दोनों को सेम एनर्जी दिया है, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
बट उसने हायर एनर्जी पाथ लिया,
Yes, ma'am.
उसका माइनर प्रोडक्ट आ गया,
yes
और ये आपको मेजर प्रोडक्ट देगा. All of you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is why minor products you cannot neglect here. Minor products cannot be neglected because they are formed from those molecules which already have high energy stored in them. आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have understood this graph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that is how you get major and minor products of a reaction. But minor product उसको क्यों बोला गया है? Because the fraction of molecules having high energies is very small. Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I proceed ahead?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, so the reason minor products are formed is because of the fact that all molecules don't
Do
have
not
the
possess the
energy.
same energy at the same temperature. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. There is a small fraction of molecules already associated with large amount of energy. Am I right? So
Yes.
those molecules will take the higher energy part.
Miss, can you make us write a note on this?
No, you don't need this. Why you want to?
Okay,
It's just
miss.
for your explanation I've given. Nobody's going to ask you this. Fine.
Okay, miss.
So now going to this compound now. इसका IUPAC नेम है फिनाइल इथीन. फिनाइल इथीन, commonly known as styrene. इसमें अगर हमने HCl ऐड किया, how many products are expected? Come on, tell me.
Two.
Yes, it's an unsymmetrical alkene. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we expect 2 products. One is this, and the other one is this. All of you have understood how these 2 products can be formed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Could you identify the major?
First one
And
is
first one is
first one
major.
major
Reason
Second
for
one
that.
minor.
Reason
Ma'am,
for
2
that.
degree.
2 degree
2 degree or 2 degree benzylic?
2 degree benzylic
enzyme.
और ये किस में से बना है?
1 degree benzylic
That is not 1 degree benzylic. It is only 1 degree. Is it connected to the benzene ring, that carbon?
no
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It is 1 degree. So now if I have 2 degree benzylic here, carbocation, tell me where to plot 1 degree.
Ma'am, above.
यहाँ पर के यहाँ पर
उसके ऊपर
के यहाँ पर और
Ma'am,
somewhere here.
A little above.
थोड़ा ही.
थोड़ा ही.
No, ma'am, ज़्यादा.
Miss, काफी ऊपर.
It will be somewhere here. The energy gap between 2 degree benzylic and 1 degree is extremely large. Will the molecules of this compound will have so much difference in energy that the molecules can take this high energy path?
no
No, ma'am.
में ज्यादा अगर इधर मैक्सिमम मॉलिक्यूल्स है तो इधर होंगे थोड़े से मॉलिक्यूल्स, है मैं राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इतना हाई एनर्जी पाथ तो नहीं जा सकते हैं ना वो.
Yes, ma'am.
So they will always go via this path only. This path will not be taken at all. क्योंकि एनर्जी गैप बहुत ज्यादा है. मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में इतना एनर्जी डिफरेंस नहीं होता है कभी भी at a given temperature. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So this path will not be taken by any molecule. All the molecules will traverse through this path. In other
so
words,
ma'am only one
this will be formed and this will not be formed at all. Why did this happen? This happened because of the large gap between the energies of the 2 intermediates. Did you understand this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Such a reaction is classified as a regiospecific reaction. Regiospecific means direction specific. Here, the pi bond can shift in two different directions, but it shifts only in one direction. And why does this happen?
Big energy.
Yes, because of the large gap between the energies of the two intermediates. Is this understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So we are expecting two products to be formed. Here I'm going to get only one.
What are these reactions called? Regio?
Specific, regiospecific reaction. So now I'm going to define for you what is regiospecific. First, you draw this graph also and write the reaction. Write the reaction, draw its graph, cancel out this product, and then I will explain. I'll give you the definition for regiospecific. That is a very good question, Amol. How to determine whether the reaction is going to be regioselective or regiospecific? It's an excellent question. When the energy gap between the intermediates is large, then we expect a regiospecific reaction. Okay? Only when the energy gap between the intermediates is large.
Ma'am, but how will we know that the gap
Like
is
1
not
degree,
large?
2 degree, 3 degree में energy gap ज़्यादा नहीं है ना? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
But if I compare 1 degree with allylic, जिसमें resonance है allylic में, और 1 degree with
Yes.
benzylic, definitely benzylic में भी resonance है. So energy gap बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
Okay, ma'am.
तब regiospecific होने लगता है reaction. Or did you finish writing this?
1
Ma'am,
minute,
what-
ma'am.
Ma'am, allylic and benzylic will have
नहीं दोनों
bigger
बनेंगे.
gap.
दोनों बनेंगे नहीं उनमें इतना ज्यादा नहीं है. allylic benzylic approximately equal है. देखो मैंने दिया है तुमको ऑर्डर.
Yes, ma'am.
कार्बोकटाइंस का ऑर्डर दिया है इफ यू रिमेंबर GOC में. Are you understanding the importance of GOC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, उसके बगैर एक भी प्रोडक्ट नहीं आएगा तुमको. GOC has to be strong. Do you need to mug up any reaction here?
No.
No, ma'am.
You have
No,
to
ma'am.
understand the mechanism. Got it? The logical step which is going to result in the formation of the product. तो लॉजिक समझ गया तो ऑर्गेनिक इज द सिंपलेस्ट सब्जेक्ट. लॉजिक नहीं समझा तो ऑर्गेनिक समझना नामुमकिन है. फिर एक नया कोटा फैक्ट्री बना लेना तुम लोग भी. सार्थक अभी से मैं जो भी करूंगी रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म में इट इज ऑल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर अ नंबर ऑफ चैप्टर्स. लाइक ये रिएक्शन आपको हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में मिलेगा. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन यू विल गेट इट इन aldehydes and ketones. So it's all spread out over a large number of chapters. Fine. Or did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
write down the definition for regiospecific. A reaction in which NCERT Sakshi, you will find this in some basic concepts of organic chemistry, but then they're not given anything so much what I'm teaching here. They just have introduced the topics, that's all. So NCERT maybe it is not given in a single chapter as such. Okay, so write down the definition for regio specific. A reaction in which हर्ष मैंने रेडियो सिलेक्टिव का दिया ना डेफिनेशन दिया है कि नहीं दिया है?
दिया है
दिया है मैम।
हाँ तो तुम्हारे लिए बाद में फिर से रिपीट करूंगी, ठीक है? अभी रेडियो स्पेसिफिक लिख लो पहले। रेडियो स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन, a reaction in which the pi bond can shift in two different directions. A reaction in which the pi bond can shift in two different directions.
Could you please repeat?
A reaction in which the pi bond can shift in two different directions, but it strictly follows a single direction, but it strictly follows a single direction, resulting in only one product. But it strictly follows only one direction, resulting in a single product. But it strictly follows only one direction, resulting in a single product. A regiospecific reaction is observed. Continue. A regiospecific reaction is observed A regiospecific reaction is observed when the difference of energy between the intermediates. A regiospecific reaction is observed when the difference of energy between the intermediates is large. A regiospecific reaction is observed when the difference of energy between the intermediates is large. Did you all finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes,
I'm giving
ma'am.
you a few more examples. Tell me whether this will be regiospecific or no. Riddhi, what was the last line? I forgot now. Last line क्या कहा मैंने बताओ? मेरा sentence change हो जाएगा.
Only when the energy gap between intermediates is large is it a regiospecific reaction.
Yes, yes. A regiospecific reaction is observed only when the energy difference between the intermediates is large. Are all these three regiospecific?
No. Yes.
They are ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
पहले
ma'am.
वाले में कौन सा बनेगा? पहले वाले में देखो पाई बॉन्ड सिर्फ इसी तरफ शिफ्ट होगा. क्यों?
2 degree.
Can I say 3 डिग्री और 2 बेंजीन रिंग है तो ज्यादा रेजोनेंस होगा उसमें.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें भी यहाँ पर शिफ्ट होगा, दूसरे साइड शिफ्ट नहीं होगा. What about this one? This one also will shift here because
Yes.
कार्बोकेटाइन में डांसिंग रेजोनेंस होगा इन दोनों का. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in these cases, though we expect two products, but we get only one. Have you understood this?
मैम आप
Yes,
first
ma'am.
वाला एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो?
कौन सा वाला?
फर्स्ट वाला.
ओके, आई विल डू दैट. इसमें अगर पाई बॉन्ड यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ तो कार्बोकैटायन कौन सा बनेगा? आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर. कैन आई से दिस कार्बोकैटायन?
Yes, ma'am.
तो यहाँ पर 2 बेंजीन रिंग्स है ना,
हाँ.
तो 2 बेंजीन रिंग का फिर रेजोनेंस होगा ना इसके साथ.
हाँ मैम. Okay.
ओके, और इसमें डांसिंग रेजोनेंस है लास्ट वाले में. So these are examples of regiospecific. All these are regiospecific. So 2 products expected, but we get only 1. I will stop here and I'll continue in the next class from here.
मैम थर्ड रिएक्शन में आपने बोला क्योंकि प्लस चार्ज जो वहाँ पे आएगा इट विल गो इनटू डांसिंग रेजोनेंस.
Yes, yes, yes.
ओके मैम.
Miss, can you show the mechanism of the third reaction?
पाई बॉन्ड अगर यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ तो H यहाँ अटैक करेगा ना. So I'll get this as CH3 and plus here. Now this will show dancing resonance, these 2 rings.
Okay, Miss, got it. Thank you.
How was it empty? No answer only.
Ma'am, is there any homework?
होमवर्क आज का तो नहीं है. empty कैसा था?
Good,
Terrible.
ma'am.
Organic was easy. Empty was bad. Organic part was good or no? कि नहीं
Organic
समझा?
was good.
Organic was good. Chemistry was good.
अच्छा अच्छा. मार्क्स आ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
केमिस्ट्री में कितने आए? आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट अदर्स. अदर्स यू आर सपोज्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ. केमिस्ट्री में कितने आ रहे हैं?
55.
55 on 100. Yeah, good enough. और बाकी के केमिस्ट्री में कितने आ रहे हैं?
52.
52 is also good. Abhishek, very good. 70 is a very good score in chemistry. 57 is also nice. He has 52. Quite good. That means improvement है ना पहले से कि नहीं?
सिर्फ केम में.
अच्छा, धीरे धीरे केम में बढ़ जाएगा. डोंट वरी. Riya, I'll have to take a separate lecture for that. I don't want to give my lectures now for discussion of. So if I take a class this week, Wednesday, you'll tell me when you require the extra class. मेरा next lecture कभी है आपके साथ? Wednesday को है? कब है? In my next class, you just tell me when you require an extra session. So in that, I'll discuss the empty paper and I'll discuss your doubts of isomerism. ठीक है? Nikhil, it's okay. कम ज़्यादा थोड़ा थोड़ा होता रहता है. But try to always score at least 10 to 20 marks more in every empty. If you start doing this, you know, by your last empty, which is empty 8, you start getting close to 80, 85, which is going to be a very, very good score. Okay. Compete with yourself, not with others now. This is the time for self competition, not with others. So next lecture, Wednesday, you'll decide and tell me when you want the extra class on Wednesday. Okay. Chalo, I'm ending the class now, all of you. लिख लिया है ना सब कुछ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Vaibhav, tell me.
It's actually related to academics.
It's related to what?
Academics.
No, your voice is breaking. I can't.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, previously I was in advanced batch, like for a
Okay.
year, but
Okay.
now recently I've shifted to mains. And
Okay.
due to when I was in advanced organic chemistry, I didn't understand it that well because it could be because of faculties or many other reasons. And it's most of the cases for students in advanced batches about organic chemistry. As you mentioned in your lectures, that GOC is very much important.
Yes.
So how do I proceed now? Because I have a very weak GOC and isomerism.
You can do what is, are you there in the group like? जो
Yeah,
mains
yeah.
का- So you can ask someone to share the notes, na? मेरे
Yeah,
notes
I
ले
do
लो.
have the notes as well.
हाँ, so go through the notes and video recordings. I think delete हो गए होंगे सारे. I don't know. You'll have to ask. I'll check if video recordings are there. What you can do is you just message me on WhatsApp. Just send me that you are from, like, whatever you spoke to me just now.
Yeah.
And then if I'm getting the videos, I'll share it with you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Jay, you are from which group? GOC group नहीं है ना, medical group है. Sorry, mains का group है. I'll check if group 1 में अगर जगह है तो, वरना group 2 भी है उसका. मेंस 2 ग्रुप्स बनाए हैं, सारे मेंस अटेंड साथ में ही करते हैं सब. They attend lectures together only, but since only 257 participants are allowed, they have 2 groups over here. Okay. So I'm giving you my number. You have my number? I'm writing my number here. Just message me, I'll add you to the group. This is 3, last one. You can message me, I'll add you to the group. Chalo, fine, I'm ending the class now. Did you note down the number? I'll stop sharing this. Okay. Chalo, bye all of you.